Hey everyone. So, are you getting a permission error in Airtable? Maybe you're trying to edit a base, access a table, or run an automation, and Airtable says you don't have permission. Yeah, that can be pretty confusing, especially when you're part of a shared workspace. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Airtable permission errors in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, check your access level in the base or workspace. Airtable uses roles like viewer, commenter, editor, and owner. If you're a viewer, you may not be able to edit or change data. If you don't have the right permissions, request editor access from the base owner or workspace admin. Sometimes the restriction comes from workspace level permissions. Even if you can access a base, the workspace settings might limit certain actions. Next, try logging out of Airtable and signing back in. This refreshes your account permissions and sometimes resolves access errors. If you're using Airtable in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes cause permission messages to appear incorrectly. If you access the base through a shared link, make sure the invite is still valid. Sometimes access expires or the owner removes permissions. If the permission error continues, contact the workspace admin or base owner. They can review your role and update the access settings, and that's it. Most Airtable permission errors can be fixed by checking your access level, requesting editor rights, or refreshing your login. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.